passed us by. All of those tears we both had cried. I really miss to seeing you smile. I blame myself, although I tried.
Hey y'all, hey, today's video is a power hour clean with me, and I'm starting it in the middle of the afternoon around 1:30, beginning in my master bedroom because it is a disaster and my kids think it's the living room. So yeah, I'm gonna begin by picking up some things, but I just want to let you guys know that this video is a collaboration with 3 other mommies here on YouTube, and it's being hosted by the Cleaning Mommy, and her name is Petigay. So make sure you guys look in the description box for all of the links to these videos. The next person that's in this collaboration is Troy from At Home with Troy. You guys know, if you're not new here, that she is like one of my favorite people here on YouTube. And the next person in this collaboration is Lori L from Clouded by L. I love her to pieces. So make sure you guys check this video collaboration out. Again, it's going to be linked in the description box, but I zoomed in on that clip there because I wanted you guys to see what Lucas did to my blinds. He took the scissors to them. Yes, he cut the string, so now I have some janky blinds in my master bedroom, and I think my neighbors probably think I'm crazy because I fix it multiple times a day. It's a big thing. Hopefully I can get those switched out. But anyway, I have this trash bag because I'm collecting things, throwing things away, I'm decluttering at the same time. But yeah, that's enough chit chat for just 1 minute. I'm gonna play some tunes and I'll be right back.
This was not a good stay. Gotta go our own way. 'Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new. Yeah, gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow. Can make you grow. Can make you grow. I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me. I gotta go, I fly away to a new space. You know, I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me. I gotta go, I fly away to a new space. 'Cause gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow. Can make you grow. Can make you grow. Sometimes.
Okay, so I'm back. A little bit about this little sofa. The kids got this for Christmas from their grandparents, and we absolutely love it. I love to sit on it. I watch TV. I edit videos while I'm sitting on this little couch. I'm going to have it linked in my description box if you are interested in it. Someone on Instagram pointed out that it will probably also make for a good bed for a large dog. But anyway, the bedroom looks a little bit better. I didn't get a chance to fold those clothes, but it's okay. This is just a little tidy up just to see what I can get done in an hour. And Lucas is awake. Logan is taking a nap, so I only have the one kid that is in my way at this point in time. But yeah, he's being very helpful, so it's not a big deal at all. He loves to help me clean up. He is 5 years old. His name is Lucas. My other daughter is gonna be 2 in June. Her name is Logan. And if you're headed over from any of the other channels that is included in this collaboration, my name is Denise. I am a stay-at-home mom. I do cleaning content, I do DIYs, I just do all things home. Like, I just want to make our house a home, and I just want to share with you any information that I found helpful in my own life as far as motherhood, womanhood, all of that. If you're looking for that type of content, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you have all the notifications turned on, and give this video a like if you're enjoying it so far.
You don't know how much I love you.
decided to use these to-go wipes because all of my multi-surface spray cleaners, I'm just not in love with the scent and I just didn't want to smell it. So I just wanted to go ahead and give everything over here a quick wipe because they were playing with some candy. I don't know what they were playing with exactly, but it was very sticky and everything was nasty. So I had gave everything a wipe down and put everything back. Now, when I head into my room, I don't first have to see this as a disaster. So now that's clean, my room's clean, and we are about to head on downstairs to the other place that needs to be picked up just a little bit. My kitchen is covered in toys. All of the surfaces are messy. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I will not be getting to wiping any surfaces in this video because I promised my kids that I would take them to the park. So yeah, I'm just going to do a little pick-me-up of everything, put some stuff away so that we can head off and do what I said I was going to do as a mom.
I look at you, you make me blind. Why do you have to be so beautiful all the time? I know I can't be with you. It's killing me to see you with someone else. What to do? Now I'm in the corner and watching you smile, watching you smile. And I can't get over you, I'm losing my mind. All of the things that I wish I could tell you, every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine.
As I'm putting these dishes away, I'm realizing that I have not started decorating for spring. I do have in mind everything that I want to put out. I do have some things in my trunk that I need to bring in the house. I think I had them in my trunk because I didn't want Sugarfoot to actually see everything, all the damage I did, but not really. A lot of the stuff is just like floral stems. I want to incorporate a new color this spring. But anyway, if you guys are interested in seeing my spring clean and decorate with me, make sure that you have the notification bell turned on and make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Again, thank you for being here. If you are coming over from the Cleaning Mommy's channel, At Home with Troy, or Clouded by Elle, I am really excited that you have taken the time to come over here and see what I got going on. I really do appreciate it. But yeah, I'm just gonna finish putting away these dishes and I'm gonna wrap this thing up.
I wish I could tell you, every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. And if I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I stop breathing when you're around. I'm in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. I wish you.
Yeah, so Lucas was helpful until he wasn't. He was supposed to put these away because he actually likes doing it, y'all. I never asked him to help me out. I'm really not kidding about that. But here's what I got accomplished in an hour. I only went over about 4 or 5 minutes. But anyway, thank you guys so much for being here. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!